Let's be honest, sometimes there's a gap between what women truly value and what men naturally gravitate towards. It's like trying to speak different languages. Maybe you're bringing home flowers as a well-intended gesture, but she's longing for someone to truly listen to her, an emotional connection. This can lead to misunderstandings and unmet expectations in relationships. But if you can keep these 5 elements, you can bridge that gap and create a deeper connection with your partner. 1. Active listening. The art of truly hearing. Active listening goes far beyond simply waiting for your turn to speak. It's about becoming a master of emotional intelligence, tuning into the subtle cues and unspoken emotions woven into her words. Imagine this. She's had a particularly challenging day at work. Instead of launching into your own day or offering unsolicited solutions, ask open-ended questions like, "How can I best support you right now?" Or, "What would be the most helpful for you to hear?" Make eye contact, offer a comforting touch on her hand, and truly pay attention to the emotions simmering beneath the surface. Let her know you're there to listen, not just hear, and that her feelings are valid. This genuine interest in her inner world demonstrates that you care deeply and want to understand her perspective. Number 2. Thoughtful gestures. The tiny love notes throughout the day. Grand gestures are like fireworks, dazzling and impressive, but temporary. It's the thoughtful everyday actions that truly hold the power to light up a woman's day. Surprise notes left on the bathroom mirror, reminding her of a funny inside joke you share. A spontaneous offer to help with errands, lightening the load on her already busy schedule. Sending flowers just because. These thoughtful actions show you're thinking of her even when you're not together. They're like tiny love notes scattered throughout the day, reminding her how much you care and appreciate the woman she is. Number 3. Emotional vulnerability. Strength in sharing your feelings. Contrary to popular belief, expressing your emotions isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign of strength and trust. Women crave partners who are emotionally available, men who aren't afraid to be vulnerable and connect on a deeper level. This doesn't mean oversharing every detail of your life, but it could be expressing your appreciation for her unwavering support, confiding in her about a fear or worry that's been weighing on you, or simply saying, "I love you," and truly meaning it. It's about creating a safe space for emotional intimacy, where both of you feel comfortable sharing your authentic selves. Number 4. Championing her dreams. The power of being her biggest fan. A woman's ambitions and goals are not secondary to yours. They deserve equal support and encouragement. Be her biggest supporter by genuinely celebrating her passions and cheering her on as she works towards her dreams. Whether it's a career advancement she's striving for or a personal goal she's determined to achieve, show her you believe in her and stand beside her every step of the way. This could mean helping her research a class she wants to take, offering to watch the kids so she can pursue a neglected hobby, or simply being her cheerleader when self-doubt creeps in and whispers negativity. By actively supporting her dreams, you're not just investing in her future, you're investing in the strength and growth of your relationship. And number 5, quality time. The gift of undivided attention. In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, giving someone your undivided attention is a priceless gift. It's about carving out sacred space in the midst of busy schedules to truly connect with your partner. Imagine this, a planned date night where you put away the phones, silence social media notifications, and focus solely on enjoying each other's company. It could be a shared activity like cooking a small meal together or taking a walk in nature, or simply having a conversation without interruptions. The key is to be fully present, to relish in the simple joy of being together. This dedicated quality time allows you to build deeper intimacy, strengthen your bond, and create lasting memories that nourish your connection. These 5 gestures might seem simple, but their impact is significant. By incorporating them into your relationship, you can cultivate deeper understanding, strengthen your bond, and create a love that truly thrives. Imagine the look on her face when you truly listen to her concerns. Surprise her with a thoughtful gesture, or open up about your own feelings. These actions build trust, intimacy, and a connection that goes beyond the surface level. So, gentlemen, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating these actions today and watch your relationship grow. And if you're looking for more relationship advice, don't forget to subscribe for fresh insights every week.